So, you've just had your renewable energy system installed. Well, what next? How do you know what it's doing, or even if it's working? At Blue Ape Renewables, we don't just install your system, we also monitor your system as well. Making sure everything's running smoothly for you is our head of operations, Emily, who's always just on the other end of the phone. Our job isn't finished once your system's operational. At Blue Ape Renewables, we provide real-time monitoring, troubleshooting, and immediate customer support. Upon completion of your installation, our installers, whilst on site, will install a suitable monitoring app in relation to your inverter and battery combination onto your smartphone, tablet, desktop device, wherever you wish for it to go, so that you can monitor the system in your own time. We take monitoring a step further. Not only do we put the power in your hands, but we also have the capability and do monitor your system from our side as well. Here at the Blue Ape Renewables head office, we use advanced monitoring portals to ensure that your system is always running efficiently and as it's supposed to. These include the Give Energy Cloud, the Fox Cloud, the Handshoe portal, and the Tesla portal. These portals show us and you exactly how much electricity your solar system is generating, how much you're consuming live within the home, how much you're exporting into the battery, how full your battery is out of 100%, and what, if anything, you're exporting back to the grid. And of course, most importantly, whether your system is online and operational. This also includes the capability of setting your charge and discharge times on your battery should you benefit from a time of use, economy 7, or electric vehicle charging tariff, or even the Octopus Cozy tariff if you have an air source heat pump. So let's share a quick example of when one of our clients contacted us because his system was showing as offline. First of all, we checked our monitoring platform to ensure that everything was okay and operational on our side. So then Emily, our operations manager, reached out to the manufacturer directly to get the latest instructions on fixing the issue. Within the same day, Emily received the instructions from the manufacturer, guided the customer and got them back online. Their system was back up and they could see their energy performance once again. This is the kind of fast, hands-on support that we at Blue Ape Renewables provide. We know how important it is to get fast answers when you need them. And that's why we offer a smart chatbot on the Blue Ape website. It can instantly recognise a fault code on your system. And for anything else, you can contact our support team who ensure that every customer is looked after. Choosing renewable energy is a smart decision, but only if you find an installer that you can trust. And I can assure you, you can trust us here at Blue Ape Renewables. Because with Blue Ape Renewables, you're never left on your own. Blue's the colour, renewables the game. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please like, share and subscribe. If you'd like a consultation with either myself or one of our system designers, please use the Calendly link in the description below. Thanks for watching and we look forward to assisting you on your renewable energy journey.